ejira Hayford trendy. Na ede na ma no trendy a ne video bi aliki ababonten a eye video ne mu no eye onu ankasa ne nyonko bema na kire se tafriski otafre ne bema eno da nchen a bema ne to kwan a sebi oja ne nan efa ho no mu nyina na kire se Hayford tafre eka ho ne nyina ye video a kire se yehu bi a ebeto eye social media no eso adofo sansem we bai na nkofo bi sa se den na beka brantie yi ama kire se ne nyonko bema watimi akwakofa ne to ewo ho no ma na previously no abrantie no trendy wo Twitter eden na oye ya okaka tia ema bi o se sa ma na nye omu ne type ni omo na afenso ane obuma na ni mu asepa wo ho na nkofo hu se se Hayford o ye se dia na kire se supi anase eye ge ne ye kan no nso o kan sa adwuma no hu bi anase o kan sa nkofo no arofo yenkwe nyenko tie abrantie ni video bi a oye ye de tia ompe ema asem a odi dwuma we ye koba ya to aso de amawo.
The only person who has noticed this, but Ghanaian girls make texting look like it's an interview, like you're interviewing them. You fit text Ghanaian girl, hey, what's up? Right, then what's up? We don't know you're cool, or you did. What's up? Oh, I'm doing something. Oh, I'm about to go get something to eat. I'm about to do this and that. Ghanaian girl, what's up? Cool. What's up? Nothing. What's up? Ade, you day where? Are you pisses me about Ghanaian girls? How was your day? Then she will write some messed up fine. Instead of you tell me how your day was, be like, I went to class, I went for lectures, I went to get food, I did this, I did that. You tell Ghanaian girl how was your day? Fine. So what you doing? Nothing. You know, parents say you they do something. You are doing something, but you say nothing. I really we have sense that and you annoys me, when you don't text them for a long time, and they'll be like, why you texting me? You've got other girls. You've got what? They're texting me boring. I get FIFA play. I get homework do. I have to go to the gym. I have priorities and things. You know, be what you doing and nothing. No, thank you and things we can't chop. You guys have to change your style of texting. I tell you, if I'm the only person who has noticed this, but Ghanaian girls make texting look like it's an interview, like you're interviewing them. You fit text Ghanaian girl, hey, what's up? Right, then what's up? We don't know you're cool, or you did. What's up? Oh, I'm doing something. Oh, I'm about to go get something to eat. I'm about to do this and that. Ghanaian girl, what's up? Cool. What's up? Nothing. What's up? Ade, you day where? Are you pisses me about Ghanaian girls? How was your day? Then she will write some messed up fine. Instead of your day was, we like to class, I went for lectures, I went to get food, this, I did that. You tell them.
Adofo Hayford abrantie na ye kana sem se ni video leaking no ono na ye hwe ni video no ono ankasa no eye ono a adofo na eye abrantie kro na no one ne eye sa dwumadie no edi ebi mo ede fa ne se eye educator edi a chese omode amano ewo ho no na no ana chese area eye Hayford ti no bebi obefa bia na boys ne tata no because of ade na ode no ho akwakohye mu na wakwakoye no because unim scan so wonya iwom 750 cedis
so this country I have
otua half adofo boy ya nya dowa waya niam o Hayford kose na mama area baby obefa bia na yebo na busuafo kora bo ne papa na ne brothers o mu bo no video ba kumpo die okohwehwe abrante no ne yes ade no se update no waliki eye video no yankwa ne nkohwe videos ni bimra yakoba ya to aso e de amount calm down
Nana watch it trumu the third.
Yeah, hey, come on. Different voice. Hey, stop for them. Hold my phone. We go record that.
Nana watch it trumu the
Yeah, stupid. Make us your mouth. Stupid boy. Hey. Stop for them. Hold on. We go for that.
Let me give an extra. What's this?
Trumu the third.
Yeah, very stupid boy. Hey, your mouth. Stupid. Hey. For them. Hold on. We go for that.
Abafo nti Hayford na ne ho ekire no ewo ho no ba bia obefa bia na boys taka no Hayford omo taka no ba bia kwakoduru ndie mpaibo na ohia because amankofo drage no ba bia obefa bia na nkofo drage no se be ma hu sisi hu so sei wo se wo de ema de wo mpema wo kasati ama ewo Twitter sa ne nyina achi no na wo pe wo nyonko be ma na chese wo ne no ada ewo ho no adofo yanko ne nkoti ensem bia eye Ghanafo eka ede fa eye Hayford ho yakoba ya to aso ede amount
tell, but the leak video got me like I had to just grab my camera. Hayford, so the lady is not she's not expecting us. I know pay I'm on photo. Say a tour na udi. Say a tour na water free. Like I don't judge, you know. I don't judge. You hardly see me judging. But hey, say a tour. You don't get on share video ni your own. Any ocean no question interview. No be unse sa onyobia. Sa onyobia o. Boy, more in the comment section. I'm questioning on you no. Sa odi na no. Yeah, man for you for trumu. Gay for you guys like, but this is not funny. Somewhere I'm questioning you or you more in the comment section. Honyina sana. Ordina no ya man for BBO. Akwano. Say so we so untia. Ordina no bo you no tokro na ye twa to fa mu wi a untia. Hey, I'm not judging, but you know the way this guy was all over the internet after say lady no say she was crashing no be interview say let me drink so like some I'm just way.
Charlie, I started tell you people say Hayford be bitch ass nigga. You people don't believe me. Now he prove on. I be one of the see. You come online, can't reject some girl on Twitter. You even grant somebody interview on sense. They blast the girl. You they tell the whole world say the girl be made on sense. You do all that shit just to go blow trumu. Obema trumu. You know be your boss self. Obema trumu. Charlie, you right now there for even change your name, sir. From now on, they go call you Hayford, bro. Now watch it trumu the third. Oh no. Charlie, back then when our old people make we understand, say if you name your kiddie Inshura, you know, then if you give your kiddie then kind name, some positive impact will come onto the kiddie. But this guy, they call him Inshura, you know, Hayford, they call him Inshura Hayford. Sorry, Inshura Hayford, bro. But see the yawa he did. It means the name then give you safe. We don't see the impact, bro. I yawa it cast. You can't turn generational case, bro. Right? They everywhere cast for you. The video day. As the video leak like they say go day online forever. Right now, if you go set job, where then do your background checkup, you do your wabida too. You cast your body. People come at DMs inside can tell me say you nothing for you. You no get nothing. All that bragging this guy they do, he no get nothing. You apparently they even borrow sneakers from niggas where you know they even take go back. You they owe like bad 20, bro. Upon all that, was also free trumu. Hey, oh dear man for car, it's also free trumu. Two troubles were. Nana boat frisky the third. Why one no se vuvuzela and I would de boat trumu, oh de boat trumu. Why one no se vuvuzela? Was ya yawa guy. Charlie on a row, you know, be joke. If like the video come out way, we see say Hayford they put him more for some girl in Duna inside. Like that one day be cool, we go fit conceal now. But you they put your mouth for nigga in trumu. Whether it be trans or whatever, we don't know. But the nigga, he get dick. He just started like shoddy, bro. He get dick, bro. What the one no, I could boat trumu. What the one no, I could boat trumu. Hey, Charlie, back then we did GHS. If your party buy pure water, we he suck maybe he suck half. Then you take the half, give you save. You they tear the other side. Cause what? You don't want use the same side way your party use. You understand? Cause it be nasty, bro. Why you go put your mouth for where your party to put him off? You forgot another side. That be how we do. If you pure water pool near a baby for. But all the what did the trumu inside where you excite you where you put it? Me, I want no trumu. Oh, Charlie, right now here for 10 trumu activists too. Yeah, for real. If like it be some Marvel movie where he could be superhero, he could be trumu man. Yeah. Then in cape at the back of in cape, then go write big T for there. The T stands for trumu man. What I say, yeah man. Charlie, make a bust your brain small. You know say gay for the Poppy be pasta. Yeah, in Poppy be pasta. Poppy be pasta. So definitely Poppy be humble as fuck. I don't know where this guy come up from. You understand? Me, I always talk that beke or something like that for just sleep or use condom. You understand? Yeah, right now I'm here for you 10 generational cares. Yeah, your video go day online every fucking time. That video go day online. Somebody go upload them, go some channel top or whatever. You go circulate some. One day your name go can't die small. Then if somebody they want, do something bad against you, you go bring that shit up. It go bring out the video again. Then Yawa son will bear you. You understand? That video no go die. Nothing they die from the internet stop. Oh, it go there forever. You tarnish your body, you tarnish your image, flat. Shouts to all the girls where they ever kissed this nigga before. Yeah. Why yawa? Monso mwata free trumuni bi. So what I say, ane mwata free trumuni bi. Charlie, me I don't want to tell where they listen some space where I hear say this boy gets some sugar mommy. You understand? So he they do the video giving sugar mommy, bro. In fetish that. They funny me self. So your sugar mommy say lick trumu. Then he go pay you some amount. What way amount cry you go fit give me? Tell me say make a lick some guy in trumu, then me to jump. I go do one. Then it dey on video. Then I be comfortable with it. You boys, you say this guy he be with Jimmy like in brain of the job. I dey tell people say in 9 months no reach with them. I dey tell you in 9 months no reach with them born them. Cause somebody when in 9 months reach them born them, you no go do this stupid shit. Your sugar mommy say you do this, so you do them. At this point, I feel like if your sugar mommy tell you say go kill your puppy, you go fit do them. Yeah, you shall. Charlie, guys, they out there where they claim say you the owe them. What did the car like? What could you amount for sika? What the car? You the borrow sneakers, they go out. They bring them back. Or the car? How do you have a sugar mommy and you are still broke? How the fuck you get sugar mommy where you still be broke? The whole purpose of having a sugar mommy is to have some small financial stability. You for if anything they go straight to your sugar mommy. Sugar mommy, I need this, I need that. But you get sugar mommy and you still be broke ass nigga. You they go around, they borrow niggas the my sneakers and they bring them back, bro. You be bitch nigga, bro. Charlie on the road about trumu poo. Your muff not for go there. Your muff, this muff, you not for go there, bro. Pleasure being and I will pay. I will call Lɛakɛd trumu. Listen, my guy, if you then girl meet, it's all about sex. What you BJ kakra go with him? Asa, what else you want to do? You want as a boy, some boys they feel go to the extent of lying down, then go open them at trumu, then the girl go lick them at trumu, then say some feeling day there. We feeling day there. Oh yeah, you gay, bro. If they there, you want make girl lick your trumu, bro. It's all about pussy, BJ. What else? Why can they call like bro? You don't want you sick of a bunny. You don't want explore some unnecessary shit, bro. Your sexual life they revolve around dick, pussy. If you be shoddy, it be dick. If you be nigga, it be pussy. No anal sex. No anal sex. The moment if you be guy, me I tell you before, if you be guy where you ever try anal sex with a girl before, it means that you go fit do one with another nigga too. It be very, very possible, bro. Yeah, very, very possible, bro. Okwa, you be boy, your main aim is the pussy. You not the pussy. You find your way, you go house. Where the pussy name you? Show him ne coffee. Make you no go do any extra shit. You won't try anal sex. You won't do this. Down make or bam or banning taffy trumu. All that shit. You know they hear. I cannot bunny, bro. I cannot bunny. Right? The whole world knows say you be gay. If you no be gay, you be bi. Either way, it's Charlie. You tarnish your image. Nobody go fuck with you. Your parties probably don't go even count your body again. Cause, bro, what sell? One niasra. Oh, now they are sra with him whole body. And now one niasra, bro. Nobody will love party you again. All the girls with your body, then go X you. Your parties, if they be real enough, then go X you. Cause, bro, me if you my party way, you be gay. Oh, no.
Tap send kwantia ya faso send sika free amanoni eba Ghana se wo Europe UK wo Canada oni haubia wo de an se obeko Play Store ana App Store na wa download the tap send app no wo download the pe obebusa se wo promo code and once wa bo adepa TV e dia shem wo bo shem se pe wo Europe €5 wo US Canada $10 wo UK £5 tap send wo send this kana free of charge e betimi abeto mobile money wallet and as a bank account tap send rate mu kenkon
adofo na ne ensem no yakwakotie bi ede aba no Hayford trending me pa chofa yabayiwa abrantie na one ne yes ade no picture pato so efama ye ne ye nhwe bob risky as we yana ebio we de ogina ho a obaka se oba
Why you trying?
Why baby here?
Baby.
Why baby here?
Who put now kono was.
Oh yeah, bema ni ogina ho na so your ba. Oh yeah, bema pa. E na kire se ogina ho no transgender. Ana onyanko ye no wada trans. Boy adofo wo hwe ogina ho na ono na Hayford ene ne ye saade no ababeto abonten so ne picture ba ko na kire se o she pink no top and down so di bi aboni tiri mu ewo hono mo no ne lady bi ejina hono mo na adofo na se abrantie we na one Hayford ekoye saade no na wonim Hayford girl ejan ding Cindy ojai Hayford ding wo ho wo de eni nkomo ewo ha abusiafo akwaba bibi aboko de
boko center for wo
ene na Hayford na afen so Headucator ensema ababeto abonten so no ne girlfriend so eja no nkofo bebre na react wo ho obi ti se sister Debbie ono so ababe kasa de afa ensema ekoso efa Hayford na afen so Headucator no ehu meza da na beka de afa ho
yen chiahwefo na yen do mas se abribia no you know yetina se na omo so agebre na omo betie ensempa adepa asemwe ho nye ka kwa akoye some style bi ye wakase bi ye ka ye se entowa dada ena se wo baboni da wo su de wonim batete Hayford yes same way friend gay for the Minya video one say this generation is so noisy. Why are you invading in someone's privacy? Miss that's what I'm saying. Please send me the video. Miana me say they are invading in Hayford's privacy no. Miana me say also video no better me say let me see. I've not sent my video. So don't you dare send me that video ever again. I wish met me undo. Met me unseen video. The sister, the video is disgusting. I Zantele handle lubricating. What a disgusting video. The video is trumu darling video and it's disgusting.
Papa.
I know.
Head to head.
Hey. Arawo. It's not me see me bed. Maybe a try me so ma me bear ma tintin gramo. Chun me pe. By then me pe tintin gramo. Me just shorting one pen ma gesa. And ma tintin gramo na ya form to. And ma tintin gramo na omo leke saki trumu. Hey. Hayford and no fetchere wa fetchere gong. Sa na ni na anu na ese trumu no go trumu. Hey, Hayford, what was smoothness level? Now what they train. Mami too fuye na mi wi a obeto kakanka. Share abrantie we ya na emre bi etwemu. Ababa wa bi shooting the shots one so. E what way up. Sa open no. Your farm abrantie we ya da so ya no one granted video ni papa fi on san hand dan yo.
Ni papa.
No one granted video ni papa fi say ababa wa ni nya ni spec or nya the type of woman.
Yeah.
Na fe no fe. Shall you chre. Ya be da so ya sa won no to oba bi hu so won nya the spec on suma no. Sa na o ye trumu darling fan. Or join the trumu darling fan club. Hayford, once I want to a bar, there might be a home when you're bar, no banner so. A be an uncle or Panima or Bay Yana or no Bay Yada for case any grassy won't go ya. Every crop no bar, no crop of any sense of bois from Pomascapi or pa or Benya, a fin ho. Well, I say I would send on the side. Or be a palace software, say I would trust that bonny bready foolish. I don't know what to say. Oh, na ye kan so ye kan besi say e bia e be ko na honhum bi na abuewura no cause yen san consider kakra wa say we shouldn't be so hard on him but baby a be gina say sa educator I won kwache no
Police for kwache
IGP kwache sa educator on kwache boy no
na miss who ka bibi say eye abrantie Hayford no e bia na chin say na Headucator dey anya hu.
Oh, wait, don't rush, pause. What you say? Me say Headucator no on say me ba be cancel for na samo e na me dey akọ Headucator no so. Promo say yes so LGBTQ+ RQ yes so. Inti me share Headucator no on disturbing grounds. Headucator, you are disturbing grounds. You are disturbing grounds. You are a criminal. You are disturbing grounds. As someone arrested Headucator, Ghana police, arrested. You can't say Headucator no. It was under secrecy. When you are going to do we are saying ND and fee. Who's who be fee? Who be do to me? No, I coffee. No, I work. Dead everything. Dead no. Everything. Ebusi afọ. I said, mon sha die ni ye. Baby anka say some attention call. No more attention call. Musu so that musu yen supporting gayism. Yen supporting trumu some lesbianism yen supporting. Na obi akwa bibi wo nkuku emu recordings bi akoso won chio ka dey ni blackmail no na wa post ya beto intintan fidie no so say yan share me say me share bi no I am depressed me na depression cause me tia side into abrantie na ba fa chire wa no na de be pu no ko be ma trumu wo feel me it's my depressed. And so me call hospital now me call check and say if everything is okay with me. I'm depressed oh. Me jage me dan kaya me ja. Na me to say me ankasa na afini me to say me ndibi. Na me sha wo bodo ile te say. Eh, wo bodo. Eh, me sha wo bodo ina me sha hawa. Just say adie no. Almost see ya, then I did it confusing me. Now, what shall I do? like the experiment, the projects in between the legs, like it's
the design.
The design. God is wonderful, Papa. Hey, it's in that Headucator. So you have all these goals, and you say you want to do trumu, darling. When vagina is there, like, oh no, like no, like I'm hurt. The designer is fine. Hey, that's it. A man be worrying here. Oh, 2 men down. Mama, 2 men down. Headucator. Ghanapolitics IGP kwache Headucator. Media, kwache Headucator. No leaking video, no the disturbing grounds. Since Ghana, all over the world, they are depressed. You would be getting say new Ghana IGP yes now. I am depressed. You would be getting say Mesra, the design is too beautiful to be knocking trumu. It's just that it's crazy. It's crazy. Shadi, who share video no home? Video annoying. Like annoying. It's something else. Like everything there inside. What I said? Now you cancel everything. Now stop for this so. And yes, soft yeah, obey. Yes, Papa nya butra ma obam. Yes, Papa nya butra. Nya butra ma obano. Bonsa mo. Me see owo kwan of fast die nyama bebre. Adepa ye can lesbian, ye can gay for. Yeah, Bible can say otini nye ko didi wa for di fortuna bia. Wo mo. Yeah. Say who was an crofo ni bi na wo ni omo san adepa wan hweye. Wan hweye. Ebe fa. Dodo na yesunsun o. Dodo na won tan che bisa wo se. Di adwuma papa be pa na mo ye. Ensu de bi omo for mo say tap. Ashawo level na nsu omunye sika. Who tie chire. It's a mesramo. Mo amuni bi ni nam na mo fa no normal. Ebe sha se normal ma. Obe mo breast. Your breast is cute. Me say I me die gina we. Oba wa na mo di aba na wa. We no for feel. We na ba. We ni ba ho so no. Na foul. Me say me ni mo ko fa bebre. No mo ntisa, no mo pe, o mo ye straight. Sisi adame. Adepa me come as so much of said. Adie we wo ye this mistake now no mo twen ebe fa. Where what you say me ill disgusting me to me nye bi da me to me nye ebe fa. Ade usunsun mo odin. O mo yin crofo shi easily. So gay and lesbian person obey you wash. Now wouldn't nyame ni ahoban bo a. Wo de ohun na enso so be nice. Don't be judgmental. Be nice, but enquire what is of Canada for. Hey, there's difference between that obedience tampe or intimate influence also. But when we are great, baby, a soon cannot tie a chenny, but what thing, Papa? It's also so. Papa, we are mini pa, I will back. I say a friend Hayford. Miss Hayford, Papa. How dare you? This is all the Hayford. You say gay abesoso. It's a Hayford. Yes, no Hayford, Papa nya botre. Kan wakoma to yem. Trials in ebieni. And so shanyami adwuma no podi wani afi. Wo man on wo fie no. This is the time Hayford o hia wo. Papa, oba Hayford, this is the time o hia wo. Ghana obi ani ko ko fie ni gra na eboni. Ni bra se na ni bra. Papa na omu no ya ni bra ni mom na wo bo no. It's yes, no Papa. Now, but what would also know bonny Gina. Now, Hayford, but I said, when not attention, I won't tell one say. Also, told was it, did this see where we so man Ghana for channel with the palma cry, you might Ghana for dead do. Wouldn't you have be who can cry? No way, chasso. And 2 wado. As a one banner winning your no Madonna saying. Dear now, baby. And also story ya Jody Baya or some mammy, ne ma 5 naya cromfwe. maame no se nye be ye no no de ya ne ma na ye ni kan so a wo be pese wo be wo ba na o ma ni na ya akromfo wo be pese wo be wo ba na o ma na ibo be sibra ti yesre munya aboche Ghanafo maka kakra ye what the guy no ye ka ya hwe yo be no ho boni o abe no ho boni because see a girl on ni wo ho ni ne jai girl ni jai no ni ne jai dem fo aso woni ne jai oni ne jai cause you know even kwampo wo ye oba na ebia wo ni be ma na wona mu ye straight na wo timpo se wo nyonko be ye bia wo boy a woni ne wo ho ana wo kunukura ni obi akoda. How do you feel?
Na koyo bia se be ma.
That is it. Wo oba wo hwe me a wo ni be ma te. Wo be ma wo hwe me a wo ni oba te. Se wo po wo se wo partner keka ko cheat a. Say na ye yo. You sometimes you imagine say hey, it's disgusting. And odi wura hu no di wura me. Ebia me ke wo ti wo ya wo di hu ni. It will imagine say so ba na bia na se wo kura bon won di hu ni. Ebia me ke wo pe sacking. Ebia what sacking be man na o say hey, so all the things I've been sucking somebody's juice. Who you be also panicking. I'm going to say hey, it is how you jam for. Me the ki unina na say me the ke be man foforo hu nsuo enye easy. Na akoye be ma to be ma. Na Hayford that you go through when you wonder what they feel. Na nya hente. No what she feelings. Me say I no cry na ma me wura wo me say Hayford. How can you be licking and your eyes will be hente.
Joshua we pacha ya na we dey on the chat na to so e dey amaye. Wey conversation between Hayford and his girlfriend Cindy. When Hayford nakasa ebetwogu o say opa Cindy cho onfa nche no na onte na se esanse ono pe na betimi ate na se we wanye for fame na mom sika nti na oyesa e na afen so ebetimi aba say demon bi e na ha na brabo ni nyina wo type de ma Cindy e na o say Cindy mom paye no onsanje ni bio na ono nko ani ni po betimi ate na se afa kura o pese o san call off e wo social media so kra woni nkwanda aka nyina na no ana Cindy Beka say you are talking too much o kasa dodo o say even one kasa wo friends krampo no onye hwe so mbeje oba na ono a wo ye o girlfriend afa so o say wono no na adwen na to ochima eye adwuma kasa ntinya de a obe ba beje eye Hayford back biem ana afa so obisa eye Cindy say ade undo me biem ana Cindy say baba
enu anu na de pa enu na my create scenario na bisa so wo nonko ba ne be ma create wo saying na akoye be ma to be ma na Hayford fear no fit we need to say Hayford way ne fetish so also oh yes our video ni dia ma ni sugar mommy because I don't know ni sugar mommy pay wo sugar mommy answer no be ma uska no this a woni be ma ada trans ada na ma fifi mo wan na the video na kwasa ni sugar mommy answer na sugar mommy ama uska sugar mommy nkrofo yiri no mu ya demons fo ya ba ya di esramo munya Ghana for esramo ate munya abotrema Hayford minim say dey na end 1 week but just a video na bia it will come back to hunting esramo ate ade bi wo hono ma ento hu nipa bi a wo ka mesramo ma nya abotre na girl ni de me force say we so wo jai no me dey Cindy we jai na we jai your sanity matters your relationship bi wo hono ma wo na ade bi wo hono ma wo just walk away it's me adusia for ramo Hayford kwasha de wo so kem to kwa dodo you see say onu na no bi ka Hayford na wo kokon to kwa na wo cause commotion Aden na Hayford won't na dem say ankwala ye from inshira nyame be kire nyame ye adepa sisi edi ne munya munyi ho sisi a me sisi edi no en munya munyi ho sa na obekọ sa edi ye wo Bible bet Mary Sarah Joshua Ruth say sa di na wo Bible mu Hannah shamba ho be me maami asio so ko to me Bible mu di anka me wa asam ka
me da se
wo be da se na de aye die
me da se na mo no be asa na shodi ebebem no be kakakra e de atoa so e de amaye sister Deborah e drop some way bi e de fa Hayford and sensem no say learning say Ghana had the social media so sister de bi ne bra e yakobolo mu de e yankofo dragi o mu e ba ne bi enu sa nyema ne sensem na o si omo attack eye Hayford no enye say e bia omo ye hypocrite keke na bi sebi adwene na nye omo attack no abrante no o si even omo attack abrante no omo brothers omo papa no omo kunu no omo boyfriends no na afi so omo akasa omo ye tumutu na afi so ta frisky ni nyina omo ye bi enso omo de ahye omo ntomam na omo ba beka eye obidie na omo blame obia ese nipa na oliki eye video no na just obe
say you na me say educator ye che no boy gay trans guy na oliki no there was a Ghana minim nyenti no Ghana phone kan ho asem no why you guys not talking about arresting the guy
no I can you odin kophobia fa so
and even Hayford no you forget it you baby ye fair Hayford no wadi kwasi asem ache but aha no why ye bibia sanka go ye obi no ye straight in the kidney side na nyama kasi ye nche no Hayford must sue that guy Hayford the busia for sue that guy arrest that guy born guy na asenjemu discipline that guy won dini juma cause aye adie between me no mienu me dey wo car pe kwa for so bobi dua ade na obeliki ti se kromo bibi kaka ye blackmail sa ye wo kromo ana sa wa broni be blackmail na ado sisi asa ye wo kromo ha se ana sa woman na dey fiance adoma o fi poki kura e fe the same je me kan na asemi a o me so bi no so wo mo so be tala o mo so na mo bo sa ye wo kromo o be wo na ohini David aye na ni so se de o de pu anya no o be ko obo otumfu echi tese nkrofo bi wo na wo dwo mo nti ase arrest educator arrest that guy se mo bi no po mo ye game po na se mo ye ma mo ye ni won koku emu afo bia ho Deborah Vanessa who the gay for the be ma because see am bia ye na se wo ware nti no Ghana for how ni aware sente the gay for them why ya just say we defend it but Deborah mba wo energy nko educator no so mo na mo de mutu mu anya ya samo mo ye tafra efa ye ho me ye was celebrities be brave mo ye tafriski ye was celebrities be brave ebi wa bem mo ye trumuchu but the subject matter is ever be who by wasi won anya menum mutu mu anya menum ti anya na wo say ha me mo channel mo energy nko sa guy no leak video no so and this am mo pet three no enche na liki mu na
ala for us of our comment section efa emaye mama house tap send ese wo Europe Canada US o send this car e dia bagana wo de famomo account and as a bank account zipay wo Netherlands how dia I do payment ko Play Store and as App Store na download the tap send app no wo download you be able to so promo code and one so we gba the party be na dia show gba party be show we wo Europe you better €5 so Canada and as US and so you better $10 UK £5 nothing so UAE $25 dirhams. Out of all, over so I drop your comments. My also comments maybe about the criminal making kind or Hanamo Eddie among the shedding. Waka crack on FRMIA. I do want some.
My fact when you're in a chair, I should try a share something. Maybe I will be a share if you and I make sure say back on the dear so now. Some I had the beer, make me say, a warrior yapana. It is in a make a what do not chubia, no money because be anyhow better face or one and a back or better in same say, go on a back. Now I had their back when they say, yeah, I will phone ye kahumbi. Now, son, I'll back up to the ABC no. No quarry ye kahumbi, ninety I make us say a kahumbi, say. Adepa say, ye money one now for 4, I am my court. Ye man now for Adam for the Beffy, saying Adam for no court here. Adam for Ben or no woman. se yebe me yeni akosa eho na nke beboa ye pa ma yebetimi asebi ye mane free na fofo boni bi hu ama enkosa ate bia bi mu say because o sha buy for there o sha say office o sha say no be ye efri baby na call baby efri baby e na call baby o mfiti prekopa because obema sabe owo girl there na ye tibie bim na tibie bim okura na eye den de bia me ka se se nyame ya adom adepa ra wo hide de bia me ka se wo hide oto enega na ha se wo be hide na sika keto wo be djire na wo ye bosom ye ketia kra esen o bosom ye ketia na esen na so wo a wo na mo efo dia wo hide untonsuo untobola dia woni manis otu papa nche enti die mbie mu na ho je ememu aba pentem nyom ho epeka sadam epenta die ni se de woka o higher to the sense of what for sneakers ni ade a ontue ebi ani o se papa ne man ni ko ne ba ne ho a nkondu ba bia wodu enti die meka twa ya wo fo ne se awo ye za enti se nyame dum no chewu bia mo ni konkola ne ho enti tie ne de obetete wo mo but na fufu wo ne wo manam ne so ka
eni pa ni so do ba bia ontumi control no
obetime adepa mimi nyi ye nyina ne control me adepa minya 20 years ni etua me moko minya 20 years na ko ba ni etua moko ni nyina ejira hwan me anti otete a oyoba o otete memma 5 tisi chewa oyoba besia ne memma 5 na ni kunwa outside ono kasa ni jina mutete nkola ne yen me a me yoba ye tu ba ko ntimi no ko ne ka me oyoba oba besia jina ne ebobo na wo ya dafo na wo be fie
edu stage bi a untumi
imagine say nkola no me say and sometimes in a relationship I won't have a woman come over natural. Baby a brand a dream. Me say
because we are a program and or train near money
good. Ejina communication, nini na come. And to tia one papa no. There be a make us say your money ni kwa yankola no ho. At the part do ye be on baba catcho. Nini na me say, wonder wo money close. Minimum be on any buy your clothes up to the sense say be a colano or not the first person a colano upon a man. So we no buy your clothes. Tiana kakra do baby as all tiano. Do baby as all bona bono. Do baby as a crocono. Just animal when you have a man for so young woman and swat down for. One name colano men now for the men. Near that time near anymore, but Cecilia your moon sat to be a beam. Sunday more when you less out to chipping. Who said the calamity? A boy to me say, oh, about when you super say. Now send me banner any colabi diago every morning, me chain. Girl bit on a and I'm saying, Uncola my way, I am more super and back say, hey, get away, a colabi, in Penisum. We ought to make us a boy anymore. And what we do feel a cotton madam there, and then you will last. And you will last. Some who someone buy your way and that day, look sure. Me can't want you. Could you believe that me need to form a bear one with the Musa store? Wada, na me jama kedu. Doom fine. Na me share me to na me come home. And I'm devil too much cherry at the papa head them. Me no. Or pretty mommy, please, I swear I won't do. And I'm powerful and no Musa colane back of her. Nini nejina to the boy. Jenny, a man who be a master comic. Me yes had you we say my yes a metal. Nemo me petty baby, no way area ho, ebi obi o yakola pa, and obi o yakola money. Life when I person will leave.
For the year can say will leave. For the year can I say shady. When you need I never come on, and I never punch ye soften. A boy or cry or ye innocent power of you. God.
Ya won't call any you
or ye innocent power of you.
Yes, outside.
And what say, and because said to say if ya a lady are working. Or around her on yet, but only do baby obey your wanting because one in a war, a yankee town dear. But what your wanting on my country, and you only around now, ya baby.
Internet said the American said, enough for Chibel. And the public Chibel, oh, I said, woman, say nothing. Bible say akola de o de ne ba wiase a ne ntia so a ehye obotom ese so
so de metu ban ya mabaka ma no ni me namfo
adepa ene wo ho
e for school a ne papa wo ni
me ba ha de bia me ka say sawadi we de bia me ka say me ti ha no minya case a mini obi a wo eno nkyerɛ sɛ me ye orphan na me nim nkrɔfo wɔ ha me nim nkrɔfo but me dia hyɛ mutiri mu sɛ minya asɛm a mini obi anti minya bibi e be ha ne yafra me papa do me papa je me pain we nya asɛm a me mema forget sɛ me yɔ ne nti me ehyɛ mitiri mu me da bia me ka sɛ mini obi a ene ya mpanso bra me bra no mini obi a and me ka sɛ bia me papa wo bibi ntia me de bi ni nyina gyina wo onipa no agye a wo de be hyɛ wutiri mu no adepa sɛ wo de hyɛ wutiri mu sɛ fa ne sɛ bia wo te o ka sɛ obɛbɔ ahya wo bɔbɔ ɛyɛ wa wo decision a wo be take me minimum na fofo bia me bɛn wo ma na mo nim wi I swear man fa bia kama no da only 3 man test one I remember someone they try me say I tested by me and me kai baby am free enti ni nyina gyina wo akola no wo so abraba wo pesa wo mo ni gyina wo so o ma me beye na afam de o papa beye na afam de bo akola no fa pembe na wo de esi woni so sa wo beye
enti we kyerɛ sɛ
we actually say obetimi on the possibility me bo no so ka wo bi bia adepa emayiwa 91 emayiwa na abana na ka hwe nice guys say na hu ye fe to the extent say wo beye sati bia we wo kura da wo to nya gahwe wo ye soft come enti wo ha on say adepa na so gyina wo ba hu because da bia me ka say omo ye mema no mo oba bele ma no e na ya yes me ka what I say effort yeah the omo ye ma mele ma no omo de wo de anu po de ye fa me say aya ye ta this because ye ka say to me ye school na de ojo be say wa ye no ko nti anu po de but we no obody nsre enkyere hwe obody e we flex just we are so cute to the extent say every lady wants you it won't understand who see mu sing and ye sha me ye sha say ye condemn mini bebre said ya ye can because abrantie no or ye suffer ne papa ye suffer adepa say we your suffer enye izo so we your suffer say bia ye you say we your leader wo da bibia no a na sabo ma went intima because wo bompa ya ma obi no obi su ke ji wo ba wo nti aya mo ya mu lead bi mu hwa mo man so da bia wo be make sure so wo do man wo di bo mu benu yesu mo jen because enye izo bia wo be ye lesbian wo twe na firi mu no na wo twe na firi mu no wo so ba no wo bo ne ho ba de wo ye sa ne ma we nyina nti sa ne ma na ya mo nta o mo ye so o mo hwa mo man so o mo because wo ba kwa na bia boy no enye na dwen said ya ne statement o enye na dwen when susu mpo so obeye what you say enye na adwen ba bia bibi e na pikin na bibi e na fa no ana bia ono mo kon na me ye ne ye kire no ensa nkrofo we adepa me omo kitwe bi conversation amete ye oho e shock me e na mo say sankrofo omo ye devil to the extent say ense sa wo ben wo mpo because among ye de twa obi otimi ka twa na oba ne dem ma de odi a feeling bi animu amu de na within second now the way amu be cancer no and who you obi accept why dream more ha amu ye easily to convince to the extent say answer na be involve no no ye just say who to me be say to me pan me wura sa de we mu na aye too late enti ye me de make an say ye see ye bra ye ma no ne ye wo ne ye bra ya ye ma ye nim ko ye nkola no because ye nkola no ne ye dache we e bi oba be president oba be minister oba be ni petit trubi na hwe dia wa ye ekire na oba be na fe say ayekọ pop video abegu abontin trumutu dey we o we dey obo ye iti yesre ye ka ye ma ye nim ko ye nkola no e na wo ya kola so yo setie ma wo ma me because in 24 ka say dia enagina ho a wo hu na onye de ote ho a wo hu na nya ne wo akola de wo gira ma wo so hu wo ye de ya wo ma me odo gba wi ase do ba asase so muntie no enkola amaba so de to the sense de ma me ka asam kire ya wo tie ono kra de oye no so nim se ne ma me de bia me ka se so wo ya akola na wo sisu na pesa wo mmobra adepa tie wo wofo o pesa wo nkonkan o pesa wo abra ba no ndi ya tie wo wofo dan wo friend ana na fofo a wo no nam no wo te se wo nya o ma me na do ba wiase o papa ti so be ko afie ya bo ne so ayemmo ana awofo ni bi so ha obo ne ba so ba ko bi enu ana oja ne pa ma no e de kwa o pema obeba opema da wo so we ni mguase aka wo bia and then ni mguase we be ma wa so be na kofom no matter what how wa so be na be kofom wunya wa so be ne se de tie da nti se wo ba nya Bobo so na je wo ba ni si wo na wo bra no eye wo mpia asamba eye wo no gwa ya si ya yete ya ne eka ade pa ye me family eye wo family iti ye ka se okokokoko beba e no de ni gwase we aba no iti ye sre ye me ye ni nko ye nkola no ho awofo enkasa makra ntimi ha oye pani no nkonkra ho ntimi atoro bo ha fa bibi to so for the police station me actually into yes maybe ni mama bi o ma ne ba o ma ye ne ba to mo bo pa so no so mba ne mu bi so bo a bi hye opo ne ba ni ye anu che so ta ne ba no iti awofo no so bi waka me ye mo bo so because this time we no nkola na aba na de pa ayo shock nkola na ye wo bo eye ye na mama na no aye wu akwa aba ni ti akola ti bi tuka se bi de mo anu obi so se eh iti akola pa na ka we oh de me de pani na ka sha na no pani ma na ka sha na no ayo no ka ye iti yesra mama ye ni nko ye ma no ma ne mema e na fa so papa fo adepa aturo bo ha enna fo so ka ho enna ne papa obu ho a oye single ono wa tete akola ni to tete ni bobre mu a de obetimi no oye ne ontimi no a obu on so oye papa ana wa tete ne ba je ono so de ofele nse de obetimi ana wa ye mummy ye nyina ye wu nkola na eye na ne eja e na wu akola na nya ba kofo mummy tete ye nkola no sure e no so beboa.
All right, but I said that clause say abrantie we say ninsa so ni mu a kebetia ne rest in peace afa so o say oba de eboho o say wo mpe wo de trumu na trumu na wachi trumu Lɛakɛd eno na wo pe Perry o say eh Miss Cover girl wo ye buwe kojo besia we Ghana de Perry baby a wo bia mchia o pa baby a wo bia nyakopo enka ho na on protect wo aha na de dwumade ni nyina edi ebesi me ne shodi na afa so Miss Cover girl na de nkomo twetwen we edi ebro oba so a na wa share na akwakoto eye afoforo ewo ho YouTube no be subscribe edi amaye na Facebook so like pages no TikTok and so account so na eye Instagram and afa so Twitter ni nyina Adepa TV no follow ye no like pages no edi amaye ye producers omo boy Joshua and afa so YouTube me di MS ama Adepa so share akra